Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mazda MX-5 key battery. First, gather your materials. You will need one new CR1620 battery, which is a common coin cell. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver. This will be your only tool. This simple process takes just a few minutes to complete, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery nestled in its compartment. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Be mindful of the small metal clips holding it in place. Now, take your new CR1620 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Test your key fob to ensure it locks and unlocks your car correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.